Hello friends, welcome back to this series of tenses. So today we will learn that is past continuous tense, what? For 10. And congratulations everyone, because today is the final part of past continuous tense. As we know, we have already learned the interaction of past continuous tense. We have already learned which situation we can use it, which situation we cannot use it, how we use it, and besides we have practiced a lot about past continuous tense, and also we have see the spellings. Okay, we can see the spellings here, and also we have learned the pronunciation and everything. And besides, we have also learned the positive, negative, and positive form of question and negative form of question. So we have already learned it, and we have already gained it. Okay. So thank you all everyone. So by watching this from my video, I hope that is you will continue by the next part of the video. So in today's last part, we will just review it. Okay, so our last is we will know that is past continuous tense conclusion. Okay, so we will just explore it, our grand final part. Okay, so first of all, we can see here that is here we know, well, because we have already gained some knowledge about this, that is Ruby was cooking, Ruby wasn't cooking, was Ruby cooking. These are the main, okay. It's in the positive form. If we want to the negative form, we can say wasn't Ruby cooking. So here we can say it by the four forms, okay, and also we can say also other. Here I have just written this with was. You also use where you were doing, like this, okay. You weren't doing, were you doing, weren't they doing, with all subjects. But first of all, you have to understand was and where, and then you can understand. Okay, we have also practiced it, and also here I have written some these W's question, because most of the time people generally ask us, okay, these types of W's question. We have already learned the positive form of W's question, negative form of W's question, and we have watched a lot. Okay, so these are the main things W's question that we general, and there are more. Okay, so sometimes that is people is asking you about something, or it can be you are asking something with some people. Okay, so you can use it. So what were you doing, which reflects the past continuing action. Where were you going? Who were you talking to? Okay, why were you shouting? Why weren't you studying? Okay, we have already gained some knowledge about this, and that's it. Our today's conclusion is it. Okay, so I hope that is you have understood our today's video conclusion. So here today's our video is shortcut. That's it, because today is the final part. You have some gain knowledge. So after ending the video, I have to tell you something, that is you can write about the that is what are you doing yesterday. Okay, you can write it in the past continuous tense, and also you can discuss any kinds of topic by using the past continuous tense. You can watch my videos, you can read the books, you can read the books, and also if you don't know any kinds of verb, you can find out the words, and also you can just note them on your notebook. Okay, so by this you can gain your knowledge, and always try to speak. Okay, try to speak with correctly. Okay, so if you don't see my all parts about past continuous tense, here's the playlist. You can watch, and then you can see. Okay, so no more talking, and next part of the video, we will start the future simple tense. Okay, as we learn the present simple, present continuous, past simple, past continuous. I hope that is you will do the same thing as future simple tense. Okay, I will tell you, I will teach you step by step. By this you can gain knowledge. Okay, so that's it. Our today's video is finished. So see you in the next video everyone, and bye for now.